Code check. How many toilets for my project by Zulueta Architecture? So the question here is how many toilets is needed for my project? And I always get asked this question, most especially for small and new business owners. And so the audience for this topic is really for small business startups. And the goal here is a needs assessment or to help these small businesses start up and to do some project coaching. For this session, we'll be using a small restaurant as our case study. What we have here is a floor plan of a small restaurant. It's approximately 1,200 square foot and it's showing less than 20 seats. The toilet count is based on really two factors, the number of people or your occupant load and the use or the occupancy of the space. So for this case, for the restaurant, we have less than 20 seats, plus say that's 5 staff, so that's 25 users. And the use or occupancy is a restaurant which is in code an assembly type of occupancy. So the code reference that I have shown here is the Alberta Building Code, and it shows the water closets for an assembly occupancy, which is what we have right now, a restaurant. And if you have a total number of users 25, you divide that by 2, which is 12 or 13 each sex, male and female. So you fall under that first category, which I put an arrow on, which is 1:25. So you would be needing one male and one female toilet. And these toilets, because the restaurant is open to the public, they need to be barrier free. We are showing here the layout of 2 handicap toilets for this small restaurant, one female handicap toilet and one male handicap toilet. So 2 washrooms, one male and one female. So here are a few photos of the restaurant that we've been talking about. It's a fast food restaurant walk box, and we have here a shot of the seating, the dining area, and a finished picture of the barrier-free toilet. In closing, I hope that you gained knowledge from this session. If you need more information, feel free to contact me at info@zuluetarchitecture.com. Take care and have a good day. Bye.